Wipe that face off your smile. You look like my grandma picking up her purse. You look like my grandma pushing a shopping cart. You look like my grandma carrying in her groceries. My grandma tell you you could use her weight. Why don't you two talk over your candlelight dinner tonight? And not in my gym! Kettlebell swings, you look like a monkey having sex with a cannonball. These are sprints. Not the nursing home 5K! Hey Steve, does your husband lift too? It needs to weigh more than your purse, Jim. I've seen better pipes under a sink. I've seen better legs under a table. You got some guns, squirt guns. Your lunch weighed more than that. My lunch weighed more than that. You know how to make those bodyweight squats lighter? You know how to make those chin-ups lighter? Do you know how to make those push-ups lighter? Don't eat so freaking much! Get to working. This isn't beep fitness. Drop the weights, get dropped. What you need is a manager. Eat lightning and crap thunder. You're a bad man. Beat it like it owes you money. Pretend like it's trying to steal your lunch money. Punch it. You're not playing patty cake with your little sister. Choke slam it. Power bomb it. Be a champion. Run like you stole something. Ride it like you stole it. And by the looks of you, you might have stolen. You did really good. I'm as shocked as you are. Curls for the girls, buys for the guys, whatever you're into. I'm not here to judge, except for weakness. This is the Thunder freaking Dome. I once threw that medicine ball over a mountain. Why are you smiling? Fitness isn't fun! We can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way. Just kidding, we're doing it the hard way. Adele and Lizzo make women 17% stronger. It's science. You can't argue with science. If you don't like this song, you don't like America. Get mean, get dirty. Let me see the war face. I'll street fight you. I've got a pocket full of punches, and I'm getting ready to start throwing them. I'm making you bulletproof. You could hurt a rock. You could make medicine sick, as was told you during the instructional phase. That's awesome, no extra charge. They're one-footed bounds. Get some height. You're not skipping down the hallway with your girlfriend. On your faces, punks. Move your arms properly there, Mary Poppins. You look good doing that agility ladder there, Twinkle Toes. You look good doing that agility ladder there, Tiny Dancer. Are you river dancing through my agility ladder? Oh, it hurts? Well, when you get home, take a cold, damp maxi pad and hold it on it. Your hands hurt? Why don't you duct tape some maxi pads to them? I remember my first day at the gym. Shoot your arms up. You're not doing the wave at Disney on Ice. Shoot your arms up. You're not doing the wave at the Oprah show. Air conditioning? No. Body conditioning? Yes. Yeah, how do your shirts fit? I don't know. This isn't Abercrombie and Beep. I will do the dancing around here. I'll do the woos around here. I'm asking the questions around here. Don't hit your head on the ceiling. You could jump over yourself. Nice outfit there, Olivia Newton-John. Let's get physical, physical. Let me see your body rock. Army training, sir! Do I come over to your circuit in a giant warehouse with 100 people and do that? No, so don't do it in mine. And stop. After that performance, I'm giving you $1.25 back. This isn't Zumba. Quit dumbing up my circuit. You two look like Stevie Wonder and Ray Charles trying to lead each other around. What hurts? Your feelings? If messing up was an Olympic sport, you'd be a gold medalist. You should just walk around on your hands all day. You're like a little spider monkey. You put the bear in bear crawl. You put the monkey in monkey bars. Put the dope in rope-a-dope. Where have you been? Obviously not boxing school. Are they not teaching you how to fight at that college? Before I forget, happy freaking New Year's, knuckleheads. Now let's go. Why don't you and the heavy bag get a freaking room? You're making 100-mile-per-hour face at a 2-mile-per-hour pace. Do me a big favor. Get out. Check yourself before I wreck yourself. This is why I don't have kids. These hands are rated E for everybody. Move like someone yelled, free ice cream. Don't forget to be awesome. I can show you how. Lock it up, knucklehead.